After you unpack your EasyJet Pro 36, we'll walk you through the complete setup of the EasyJet Pro 36 DTF shaker. This step-by-step video will help you get up and running quickly and smoothly. Let's get started. Roll your EasyJet Pro 36 in front of your DTF printer. In this video, we have paired the EasyJet Pro 36 with the Epson SureColor G6070 DTF printer. Plug in the supplied cord into the machine and plug in the other end into a 120-volt wall outlet. Turn the shaker on and select the heat button to warm up the heater. The heater is preset to heat up to 125 degrees Celsius. This is the best temperature when pairing it with the Epson G6070. Open the lid and pour powder into the hopper. In the meantime, feed the film 2 feet and then start printing on your DTF printer. Once there's enough printed film, you can feed the film through the front of the shaker to the start of the feeder belt. Place the film on the belt and turn on the built-in film vacuum system by selecting Auto on the control panel. The vacuum will turn on and keep the film in place. The powder is automatically released onto the film. Once the film reaches low enough to activate the sensor on the shaker, the feeder will start to move through the heater. You can cut the film as it exits the shaker or use the take-up reel. If you're using the take-up reel, let enough film exit the heater and then tape the film to the core on the take-up reel. On the control panel, select Roll. The take-up reel will activate and roll the film until it's taut. There's no slack or bunching of film. That wraps up on how you set up the EasyJet Pro 36. Reach out to Equipment Zone to learn more.